Topaz Video AI is one of the most powerful video upscalers in the world. But there's a catch. You need a high-end PC. But what if I told you you can use it for free, on any device, without installing anything? Let me show you how. When you open the website, you'll see a blank canvas. Now here's what you do. Right-click anywhere, and search for Topaz Video AI. It costs about 12 credits per run, but don't worry, you'll get free credits when you sign up on this website. Next, import the video you want to upscale. Then simply connect the video node to the Topaz node. When you click on the Topaz node, a settings panel will appear on the right side, where you can adjust how much you want to upscale the video. Lastly, hit run. Wait a few minutes, and your upscaled video will be ready. If you want to upscale the image, select the Topaz Image Upscaler model. The remaining steps are the same. That's it. Now you're probably wondering, what website is this? It's called Weavy AI. This platform lets you run Topaz Video AI directly in your browser. No setup, no downloads. If you want to learn more hidden tricks like this, check out my playlist on this platform. And in the next video, I'll show you even more powerful video upscaling tools. So make sure you subscribe, you don't want to miss that. I'll see you in the next one.